Hello, everyone!
Today, we will be talking about the differences between Korean houses and American houses.
Yes, so where are we living now, Allison?
Now we are in an apartment in Seoul, South Korea.
Yeah. How many rooms does our apartment have?
Our apartment has 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1 kitchen, and living room.
Yes, and we are on the 3rd floor.
That's right. Tatum, what does your house in America look like?
I live in a 1-story greenhouse in America.
How many rooms does your house have?
My house has 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 2 living rooms, and 1 kitchen.
Wow, I think many houses in America are bigger than houses in Korea.
Yeah, I think you're right. And in Korea, most people live in apartments. But in the US, most people live in houses.
That's right. Also, many houses in America have a backyard.
Yeah, at our house, we have a garden and a porch in our backyard. My dog loves to play in the backyard.
Wow, and I think a lot of houses in America have swimming pools.
Wow.
I wish I had a swimming pool this summer.
Yeah, me too.
All right, everyone. See you next time.
Bye-bye.
This is Young Ssaems. Wow, we learned a lot of differences between Korean apartments and American houses. Also, we went to the house tour of Tatum. What does your house look like? Please comment below.